Hi everyone, in this video we will see how SUMIFS function works with multiple conditions in the same column. In our previous video we have seen how SUMIFS function works. In this video we will see the multiple conditions are from the same column. So here as I have specified supplier, so we'll be putting the conditions from the supplier column. We will make the sum where the supplier is S1 and K1. Let's apply the function here equal to SUMIFS bracket starts and sum range will be over this order total column, control shift down, then comma. Now the criteria range 1, the criteria range will be the supplier column. We'll select this column, control shift down arrow, then comma. Now the first criteria, we'll select this cell where we have S1 and let's close the bracket and press enter. So it will show only the value of S1. So for S1 we have just one record, that is 5000. So that is why the output is 5000. But if you want to add this K1 as well, so what we'll do, we'll just copy this part and what we can do, just plus and paste it, and here in this criteria 2 we will select this cell where we have K1, and now if we press enter it will give us the value as 35,000. But this is not the right way, this is not the best way, because we have to keep on adding the formula if we have more conditions. So what we have to do, let's remove the second part, and here in the criteria we will select these two cells where we have our conditions S1 and K1. So it has taken the range as H1 to I1, and now if we press enter it won't give us the value because now we are taking a range of criteria. So what we have to do, we have to use the sum function again, sum of, then bracket starts, and inside the sum function we have to use this SUMIFS function and then close the bracket for sum function. And now if we press enter again it will not give the value, so we have to press control shift enter and it will give us the value as 35,000. So that is how we can use SUMIFS function in the same column with multiple conditions. So this is the formula sum of SUMIFS. We can also use the wildcard here. So instead of Q1, let's put K star, and if we press enter, it will change the value to 44,000 because now our condition is S1 and K star. So it will take the records where we have S1 and all the other suppliers which starts with letter K. Let's verify the result by putting the filter. Here we will select only S1 and all others which starts with K. So that is K1, K2, and we have these four records, that is S1, K1, K2 and K1. So if you sum all these values, it will come as 43,000. So here we have got the output as 43,000. Let's add more conditions here. Let's add one more condition from a different column. Put comma. So now we'll put criteria range 2. So let's put the condition from this order date column. Now we have to put a criteria 2. All the records where order date is greater than 10th of April. So let's put an absolute value under double quotes, greater than 10th April 2022, and press Ctrl Shift Enter. So it will give the value as 28,000. So here, as you can see in the order date column, the first three records are 5th April and 10th April. Let's filter again. First filter this supplier column. So as before, we'll select S1 and all letter K, click on OK. So we have all these four records after filtering the supplier column, and if we filter this order date column, so we have put the condition as more than 10th of April. So we have selected the dates as 11th April and 30th December of 2022, and after filtering these two conditions we have only two records, 8,000 and 20,000. So if you sum it, it will come as 28,000. So that is how SUMIFS works with multiple conditions with different scenarios. So here we have seen how we put multiple conditions in the same column and how we use a wildcard here, and also how we can filter out using the date value. I hope you got a good understanding on how SUMIFS function works with different scenarios and different conditions. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. That's all for this video.